Let's get you news coming in from Maharashtra and the MLC polls. 90% voting done so far. Voting is underway in 11 seats of the Maharashtra Legislative Council, with the Chief Minister there earlier spotted at the Vidhan Bhavan casting his vote. Meanwhile, NCP MLA Nawab Malik, who is out on bail in a case of money laundering, has also voted. So this is after the Lok Sabha contest. Maharashtra is bracing for another round of the ruling NDA versus the India bloc, where both sides will try to outmaneuver the other in the elections to the Maharashtra Legislative Council, which is underway. And of course, this is quite being seen as a semi-final, as the result will show whether the ruling Mahayuti is intact or some MLAs are slipping ahead of the assembly polls, which are due later this year. There has been a buzz after the Lok Sabha results, where the NCP could win only one of the 4 seats, and some MLAs from Ajit Pawar's camp may switch sides as they're not confident of returning to power after the assembly elections.
नहीं नहीं, आज बिल्कुल नहीं। क्रॉस वोटिंग होगा तो रूलिंग पार्टी में होगा, हमारे में कोई कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। हमारे सभी एमएलए एक साथ है, हमारे एमएलए पे विश्वास है और विशेष रूप से हमारे तीनों भी महाविकास आघाड़ी के तीनों उम्मीदवार चुन के आएंगे और पहले ही इसमें चुन के आएंगे। इतने वोटों की भी हमारे पास में पूरी व्यवस्था है और इसमें जो एक कांग्रेस के वोट फूटेंगे करके जो कुछ बातें फैलाई जा रही है, झूठ है।
I'm with former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh and NCP leader. Mr. Deshmukh, my question, how confident are you that all 3 of your candidates will win MLC votes?
Of
MLC
course,
polls.
Mahavikas Aghadi, all the 3 candidates, they are going to win 100%.
Why are
There
you
is
so
no doubt at
confident?
all.
But are you relying on cross-voting at this point?
Mahavikas Aghadi is united. Congress, Rashtrawadi and Shiv Sena, we work together. And there is very good coordination between all these 3 parties.
But when you look at the numbers, you may have to rely on cross-voting as well. Do you think there will be cross-voting?
We have got the sufficient number and all the 3 seats will 100% will win it.
Radhika, news coming in of 250 that have voted so far, with Eknath Shinde also casting his vote.
That's right. Almost 250 MLAs have cast their vote at this point. 274 is the total strength of the assembly. So almost 90% is the voting percentage. And we can perhaps look at 98, 99%. Perhaps one person may not be able to vote or may not be allowed to vote as a result of a case against him. But otherwise, it looks like it's going to be almost 98, 99% voting. But we'll wait and watch out for that. Uddhav Thackeray's some of the MLAs are yet to vote. They are voting in different batches. And this is expected because all of these MLAs had been issued whips by their respective parties. They were all holed up in their respective hotels. So therefore, there's no escaping from this polling. But what will be interesting to see is what kind of crossovers, cross-voting has happened. Because in this case, 12, candidates in the fray for 11 seats, which means if, the last standing candidate has to win, then it could be with the help of either independent smaller parties or with the help of cross-voting, which is why Uddhav Thackeray, decided to sort of feel that extra candidate, because he was in a sense confident that there is some sort of cross-voting. So if you look at just the individual party numbers, both MVA, neither MVA nor Mahayuti have the adequate numbers. So they have to depend on neutral parties, smaller parties, independents. Even then, they may not have the numbers, which is when cross-voting will take center stage. And at the end of it, we will know who has in fact sort of cross-voted and who is the loyalist as far as, MLAs are concerned, and whether there is going to be any sort of shifting of sides. So all this a prelude to the assembly election, and something similar was witnessed in 2022 MLC polls as well, when the government fall itself happened post the MLC polls. Eknath Shinde there cross-voting along with his set of candidates, and which sort of led to the government, MVA government's collapse. So yes, this is going to be important considering what happened in Lok Sabha election result. Ajit Pawar sort of in a very sticky wicket there, because his set of MLAs unhappy and therefore wanting to go back to Sharad Pawar. All that will become clear perhaps end of the day when the results are out. So as of now, 90% is the voting percentage that we can confirm from the 274 MLAs. Almost all of them are set to cast their vote. Eknath Shinde has cast his vote, and several other top leaders have also cast their vote, but this is going to be a prelude to the assembly elections, and this will determine, in a sense, what will happen during and just ahead of assembly elections.